everybody, it is Miss Joya, and hard to believe, but it is the last week of summer reading. So make sure that you're logging in your time that you spent reading this week. You do have, though, don't forget, until the end of August, because I think it's September the 2nd that I'm going to be doing the drawing for the Tween Book Queen. So make sure that you either come in and get those books, or you can also place holds on them and pick them up at the curbside window, but they're always available on Flower Overdrive as well. So this week, your packet is called The Power of Imagination. And I have a lot of different activities in there for you. I have some journal prompts in there for you to do. But I was able to find a little craft that you should be able to hopefully do at home. It doesn't take very many materials. So I thought hopefully you could have this and give it a try. But the great thing about this is that it's something that you could use several different ways. So I made, it's called a paper ball catcher, a paper cup and ball catcher. So if you, and I probably won't get this the first few tries, hopefully if all, but you kind of just have to try to flip a little ball into the cup. It's not gonna go. Okay, well if you try for a while, it should go into the cup. So yeah, it'll just like swing right in there. You just have to make your string short enough. I think I used about a 6-inch string on this. All right, so what you're gonna need for this will be a pencil and a ruler. Any piece of paper. Now I have already cut this paper into a perfect square. So I made mine 5 by 5 and it made it to be this size here. So if that's a good size for you and you like that, you could do that. If not, you can go a little bit bigger, just as long as you're making it the perfect square size. So like 6 inches by 6 inches or something like that. All right, also you'll need just some string and some tin foil, so aluminum foil. Oh, also you'll need some scissors and some just Scotch tape. Works perfectly fine. So hopefully you have those things on hand and you can use them. So first we'll start off, like I said, I did measure this out already. So it is 5 inches by 5 inches, and then I cut that out. So we're gonna place it down under the table to make it look like a diamond shape. And then just like we've done before making the bookmarks, you're gonna take and you're gonna fold it up so that you make like a large triangle, just like this. Okay, so what's gonna be different about this one is that you want this tip here to meet the corner. So I'll turn it like upside down. So we want it to go here. You want it to meet over at the corner. So go straight across. You want it to meet like over. So when you fold this corner, you want it to go almost like straight across, like perpendicular. And then you're going to do the same thing with this corner over here. And you're going to fold it so that it meets that corner right there. Notice I did it the first time wrong too, just because you have to really think it through. So let's go through that one more time. Okay, so you're going to have it like this. So you've brought the diamond part up to meet the top part. And then you're going to take the one corner to meet, and hold this up and show you, to meet this part right here so that it's like almost like straight across. You can see that? Then you're going to take this corner and do the same thing and get it to meet there. All right? So this kind of forms your cup shape. And make sure you have some really strong folds there so that it stays really well. Then you're going to take the top part and you're going to fold it down. Now you can use regular paper for this. It doesn't have to be. This is just regular red paper. You can color it before you do this so that you have a design on it. So just use regular white paper will work perfectly fine. And you're going to fold down the other side as well. All right, so that's what you're going to have here. So you can have like little flaps. So you could fold them into the inside. So this one here especially works really good. If you open it up, And then you can take this flap and bring it down inside. Now this flap is probably better here to stay on the outside just so it gives it a little bit more support for the cup. See, it's pretty well supported there. Now, I got this idea from a website called Red Ted Art, and she does some great crafts. For those of you who have come to Tweens, you know I do a lot of things off of her site. It's red, like the color red, Ted, T-E-D, art. And so you can Google it. I think it's called the Origami Paper Cup and Ball Game. But she also shows you on there that you can use this. So say you were having, well, not now you wouldn't be, but like maybe in the future you were having a party, and you could put little treats in there. If you wanted to make some special treats at home for your family, you could put little treats inside of there. She also shows it. So if you do that, you kind of just want to flatten the bottom a little bit, and then when you put something in there, it will weigh it down enough. So they can make it a cute little place setting, maybe if you wanted to do that for dinner or like a little snack time. The lady on the site also shows these being used as drinking cups. So she put a little bit of water in and she drank. Obviously, you have to drink it right away because it's on paper, so it's not going to go through. I didn't try that today, but I'll let you see if you want to try that. Okay, so after I did that, what I did was I cut a piece of string, and like I said, it was only about maybe about like 6 inches long. I'm just going to eyeball it, but you're more than welcome to measure it. And it really is up to you how good you feel that you can do it. You'll take your tape. But before we do that, we're going to take the tin foil. So you don't need a whole lot of tin foil to start with. And you can make the ball a little bit bigger if you'd like. I didn't make mine very big. But tin foil really scrunches up. So you'll take your string, and you will put your string into the middle of your tin foil. Or just enough that you have a little bit of room there. And you're going to scrunch it around so it really helps to gather it. So you shouldn't need to tape it if you've scrunched enough. Scrunch around on both sides, and then you just keep scrunching it until you feel like you've got a good size for the ball that you can then try to swing into the cup. All right, and then once you have that done, so see, it's pretty sturdy though. And then once you have that done, you'll take a small piece of tape and you'll put it onto the end of the string. And you can tape that inside of your cup. And again, I'm not so sure that I can get this to go into there, but then you would need it to go like this and try to get it into the cup. Oh, I almost had it. All right, well, hopefully you're a lot better at this than I am, and I hope you have a great time with this. Don't forget, you can also use it as a little treat cup to make a cute little snack up for, maybe you can put candies in or something like that for your brothers and sisters or anybody that you have at home who's at home with you right now. All right, so you guys take care. I hope that everybody is doing well, and I guess I will see you in a bit because we will be doing more videos later on. So if not, hopefully I'll see you at the library. All right, take care everyone, and have a great week.